Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we'll talk about what is AWS SDK. So AWS SDK is a short for Software Development Kit, refers to a collection of tools and libraries provided by AWS Web Services for developers to interact with AWS services programmatically. These SDKs are designed to simplify the process of integrating AWS cloud services into applications and managing AWS resources. Each SDK is tailored to a specific programming language or platform. Let's talk about some key aspects of the SDK. So first thing that we want to talk about is language-specific SDK. So AWS provides SDKs for various programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, Net, and Go, Ruby, PHP, and others. These allows developer to work with the language of choice. We have the ease of use. So number two, the SDKs offer convenient APIs that abstract the underlying REST API calls to AWS services, making it easier for developers to interact with AWS. Integration working with AWS. Let's talk about number three, which is the integration with AWS services. So they provide direct and easy access to almost all AWS services, including Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, and DynamoDB, and many more. We have also resource management. SDKs enable programmatic management of AWS resources, such as creating and managing EC2's instances, uploading files to S3, or sending messages via SNS, which is Simple Notification Service. We have authentication and authorization. The SDKs handle the task of securely authenticating with AWS using various methods, including IAM, which is Identity and Access Management rules and policies. We want to talk about the automation, automatic scaling and management. So they support features like automatic retries and handling of exceptional backoff in case of several throttling or outages, enhancing the robustness of application. We have also want to talk about the efficient data transfer. So some SDKs offer enhanced features for specific services, like accelerated data transfer with Amazon S3, for example. We want to talk about the local development and testing. So SDKs facilitate local development and testing of applications that use AWS services, often integrating with tools like AWS CLI and AWS SAM, which is SAM, a serverless application model. Also, we have the community and AWS support. AWS SDK are well documented, supported by AWS, and often have active community contributing and supports. Developers use AWS SDK to write applications that interact with AWS services without needing to deal with direct API calls or manage low-level service details. This significantly speeds up the development process, allowing a focus on building the core application logic. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so never miss a video, and see you guys in future problem.